Namaste. Today we are here to do a little bit of mental spring cleaning so you can wake up feeling truly fresh. Before we begin, take a moment to adjust your pillows and let your body settle. In the tradition of yoga, everything we do and worry about leaves a mark on the mind called a samskara. You can think of these as little grooves or footprints left in the sand. The more we replay a worry, the deeper that footprint becomes, until it feels like a path that we cannot leave behind. Science shows us that when we relax this deeply, we can actually start to smooth over some of those paths. We are telling the brain that it's okay to stop replaying the day and to start clearing out the clutter. This is not just a simple rest. You are resetting your inner world. Take a deep, slow breath in. And as you let it out, feel the first layer simply fall away. Exhale with your mouth. Imagine your mind is a series of silver threads, and your worries are just tight knots tied along those threads. I want you to scan your body without moving and find one spot in your body where you feel a little bit of tension right now. Maybe it's your jaw, your forehead, maybe you're curling your fists, or your legs are too tight. try to relax this part of your body. This tension is the physical memory of a samskara. Bring your attention and breathe directly into that spot. Imagine your breath is a warm, golden light that wraps around that knot. As you breathe out, see the knot beginning to open. The threads are becoming soft and straight. Until the knot simply becomes a long, fine, smooth thread. With every breath, you are smoothing the path. Your awareness is not in the past. And you are not your busy thoughts. Feel the space opening up where that tightness used to be. And feel your mind resting and becoming a clear, still lake at midnight. Smooth, quiet, and perfectly calm. Every breath is a clean state. Take a deep inhale through your nose and a long exhale through your mouth. Notice how much lighter you feel. The knots have all cleared away. Your mind is still and relaxed. Let the silence of the void cover you now like a heavy, warm, velvet blanket. There is nothing left for you to solve. There is nothing left to hold on to. Transition now into the deep, restorative sleep. If your mind wanders away, bring it back to your breath or to my voice or to the music. Gently start to bring your attention back. Move your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep inhale again. And a long exhale. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you feel restful. Namaste. If you like this session, check out our other videos and share this one with someone else who might benefit from this practice. Please subscribe to join us for weekly classes on YouTube and also join us on our socials for daily tips.